So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a ghost touch problem on the Nokia 5. Ghost touch is a problem where your phone randomly detects touching. In order to fix this problem, you could first try simply cleaning your screen. If this doesn't fix it, you could try going into Settings, going down to the System Settings, Advanced, scroll down, System Update, to check if maybe your phone is not up to date. If this isn't it, you could try searching for touch sensitivity settings, which I do not think this phone has, but we can always check. It's usually in the display. As you can see, there are no touch sensitivity settings here, so you can assume they do not exist on this phone. So, if your problem still exists, you could try removing the screen protector and cleaning under it. However, if this even still does not fix your problem, you might have to give your phone up to service so they can fix it. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.